And moving on, China has been preparing for a global energy crisis for years. It is paying off now amid an escalating Iran war, which has pushed global crude prices significantly higher. Now, in this next report, we decode China's planning and diversification of energy sources. Take a look.
China holds an estimated 1.2 to 1.4 billion barrels of crude oil in combined strategic and commercial reserves. The solid reserves are creating a massive buffer against global energy crises. The strategic buffer plan has been driven by a years-long aggressive stockpiling strategy in preparation for supply disruptions. Beijing has now amassed reserves sufficient for roughly 3 months of net imports. As other Asian economies race to conserve energy, China has huge reserves of oil and gas as well as alternative energy sources like wind and solar. Beijing's years of preparation now face a real crisis test. President Xi Jinping, during a visit to one of the country's vast oil fields in 2021, had said that China must secure its energy supply in its own hands. Now let's take a look at what China has done so far to create a buffer for tough times. Beijing rapidly expanded capacity with new underground storage bases constructed to enhance security against scenarios like the 2026 Iran-related disruption. The vast stockpile allows Beijing to withstand sudden energy shortages. The stockpile has grown significantly by capitalizing on discounted supplies from Russia and Iran over the years. The country also accelerated domestic production and imports to ensure energy independence. China's extensive reserves allow them to navigate the Iran war-led energy shock more effectively than other nations. Chinese crude oil imports surged 15.8% in February from a year ago. That is the biggest monthly jump since August 2023. After over a year of stockpiling, China's estimated reserves now exceed 1.2 billion barrels. In the first week of the Iran war, Beijing already ordered its biggest refiners to restrict fuel exports and prioritize gasoline and diesel production over chemicals as a precautionary move. Despite the vast reserves, China continues to act with caution and is diversifying its energy sources to further secure its supply. Still, should weeks turn into months, and if the global energy market continues to creak, China's resilience will be tested, just like the rest of the world. For now, it appears that China is playing the long game amid the Iran war. Business Bureau WION, World is One.